Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to um, remove circular reference in Excel, or how to find circular reference in Excel. So let's find them first. Okay, so let's open an Excel sheet with circular reference. Okay, here you can see there is a pop-up appeared and it says that there is a circular reference in my workbook that might cause my formulas to calculate incorrectly. Let's click on OK. Well, how do you find that? Where is the circular reference here? So what you have to do is just go to your formulas option. Here you can see there is an option of error checking. Click on it and go to circular reference. Here you can see it will show you exactly the cell where the circular reference is. So you can simply click on it and it will go it will take you to the cell. It is here. So your circular reference is here. You can simply remove it from here, and this is how it works. If you don't want to remove that, then please just fix your formula again, or type your formula again, or just remove it like by clicking on backspace or delete, whatever you want to. So it's just so easy as that. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye for today.